Let's say you just made a big mistake. You accidentally posted an assignment to your whole Google class inside a Google Classroom, but you didn't want to. You wanted to schedule it. You cannot go back and just schedule it. So first thing is you can't go back and even edit it. You can't delete it or anything from your stream. So you want to go and off the stream and get on classwork. Okay, so from here, if I had an assignment out here, I could delete it. But again, if I put a lot of time and effort into it, I probably don't want to just delete it either. But you could, if you just sent something out accidentally, you could delete a post. Again, you'd have to make sure you went to classwork and delete it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to reuse this assignment. So I'm going to delete this one real quick because that's just an extra one. This is the post you didn't want going out. Keep it there. What you're going to do is you're going to go create reuse post. Okay, and then you're going to go into the same class you're in. So I'm in class test 2. We usually use this to copy stuff from one class to another class, but in this case we're posting something we already posted in this class. So I click on week 1 assignment. Only this time I go down to where it says reuse. When I press reuse, in the top right hand corner it's going to give me an option up here. Do I want to assign it now? No, I want to schedule it. So I want to schedule it for the future. So let's say I did not want this to go out till next Monday. I click on that. I press schedule. And so now I have that same assignment scheduled. Now I could go back and delete this one. And hopefully none of my students have done the assignment yet. So I press delete. But I still have this one, which is going to go out next week. So that's how to, if you forgot to schedule something in Google Classroom, to go back and schedule it. The easiest way I can think of.